Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at
That
that.
looks good.
All right, let's get these things dried off. All right. So we gonna jazz these up just a taste. Just a taste. We got Lawry's going, garlic powder, some thyme, and some pepper. So not too much. All right, let's get these babies seasoned up. Keeping it simple, keeping it simple. Little Lawry's there. Little garlic powder. Thyme here. That thyme smell good. Fresh ground black pepper. Flip that baby. Garlic powder. Thyme leaves. And that's it. Wait a minute, we almost pulled a rookie move. We gotta get the sides. Yes. Don't forget your sides, y'all. Don't forget that side flavor. All right, these beautiful babies are seasoned up. We're about to let these hang out for about an hour. We're gonna let that smoker get hot inside. Put these on there, get it seared, and it's gonna be lovely, baby. All right, see y'all in about an hour. We going outside. Enjoy this nice day. Baby, where we got this baby rolling at?
That's over 300.
Yeah, it's pretty hot.
Yes.
So let's go ahead and get these steaks on here. So, should take us too long. Wait, whoa, 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 whoa. I almost forgot my new toy. What's going on? So, for one of these, Shawana's we're gonna do well done. Oh yeah. Go on up in there. Except for a ribeye, you got beef. Oh, ribeye right there. Well, technically, we're using it as a grill, so we're gonna do it like that. Bam. I want it medium rare. So it says go take it right there, and all right, start to cook. I know how to do that already. Thank you. Start cook. All right. Let it go. Showing you the internal of the steak. The ambient temperature, 120. My target is 135. And right now it's just estimating the cooking time. All right, we'll be back. All right, the machine, well, the device says we got about 3 minutes. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Look at
That
that.
looks good. Smell like a steakhouse. Real house steakhouse.
That's what we want. All right, let it do its thing. All right, we're gonna flip one more time just for good measure. Ooh, that look good. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, that looks good.
Ooh-wee. I'm talking about
Okay.
probably about two more minutes. We watching the thermometer. All right, just got the alert. Yeah, y'all hear that? Got the alert. take it off. Let Shawana stay on there for another 5 minutes. All right, we're gonna see what it do. We're gonna let it rest and see what it do. Now the well done steak comes off. Look good too. All right, let's take this inside. This side is the side that we use the meter plus 2 Bluetooth thermometer. Let's see if it did what it's supposed to do. Shawana, I'm gonna put your steak here
Okay.
to the side. All right. Let's check on it. Man, look at that. Look at that. Yeah. 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 I ain't hardly touching it, y'all. I ain't even hardly touching it. Ooh, we finally got it. Finally. Look at that. Oh my God. Yes. Because y'all, I always struggle with getting that perfect medium rare. You know, I think I got it. I'd be checking and be like, okay, it's at 130. Then I go off for just a few minutes. Next thing I know, it's at 138 degrees, then 140, and I messed up the medium rare take, you know, the show on YouTube. I can't be like Google and them. Oh, man. Oh, man. Baby, that's almost perfection.
It looks good.
Now, look at that.
Yeah, that looks good.
Mm-mm. Woo! All right, I don't want to keep eating in front of y'all on camera. I want to keep eating in front of y'all on camera. But check this out. Y'all saw how easy that is. You know, sometimes the things that we'll go pay the most for in the restaurants, you know, are the easiest things for us to do at home. So, at any rate, you could do this with just salt and pepper, but I did Lawry's pepper, garlic powder, and thyme. That was it. Very minimal amount of ingredients. Didn't take no time to do. But check this out. I'm gonna finish eating this up. Y'all saw how it's done. Appreciate you for coming out as always. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you back on the next one, baby. Oh my God.